Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Chrome tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to increase the font size in Google Chrome. This is actually quite simple. To do this I first open Google Chrome and can use the function that Google Chrome itself offers us. If we click on the three dots and under Zoom on the minus and plus, we can make elements in the browser smaller or larger. However, this not only affects the text size but also images and videos. If I no longer want this, I can reset the zoom to 100% by clicking on the magnifying glasses and reset. To only change the font size in Google Chrome, I recommend using an extension. This is called Font Size Increase for Google Chrome. We install this and pin it to the browser. This makes using the extension way more easier. So we now go back to YouTube, for example, and if I now click on the extension once, the font of the current page is enlarged. I can do this until I reach the desired font size. If the font has become too large or I want to reset the zoom, I double click on the extension. And that's an easy way to change the font size in Chrome individually. That's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.